Siri stopped responding with voice after the new iOS 16 update and only shows text. You want it to start talking again. In this video, we will show you a quick trick to fix Siri Stopped talking problem on iPhone. We are using the iPhone 14 Pro Max, but you can use any iPhone running on iOS 16 or later. Open Settings, go to Siri and search. You need to make sure Listen for Hey Siri is turned on. Tap Continue. Hey Siri. Hey Siri, send a message. Hey Siri, how's the weather today? Hey Siri, set a timer for 3 minutes. Hey Siri, play some music. Tap Done. If Listen for Hey Siri was not turned on, set it up again. You need to make sure Listen for Hey Siri is turned on. Then tap Siri Responses. If it is to prefer silent responses, it could be the problem. Change the settings to prefer spoken responses. Hey Siri, how are you?
Not too shabby. Thanks for asking.
Hey Siri, how's the weather in New York City?
It's currently partly cloudy and 42 degrees in New York, New York. Expect rain starting in the morning. Today's high will be 44 and the low will be 37 degrees.
If it still does not work, simply give your iPhone a force restart and it should fix the problem. Quickly press and release the volume up button, then volume down button. Now press and hold the side button until you see the Apple logo and it should fix the issue. So guys, this is the way you can easily fix Siri not responding problem on iPhone after the new iOS 16 update. That's it for now. If you have any query regarding the topic, let us know in the comment below and always stay with our channel. Thank you.